And really go deep as you can go to it, and then the rest is revelation. Pratyaksha bhagamam dharmyam. Pratyaksha. This revelation can come from Saraswati. If there's a need for you to know, to solve a riddle of your bhajan, if your bhajan is some riddle or some mystery, then you take that particular aspect that actually directly applies. Otherwise, as you know, all the mysteries of the Shastra, yasya deve para bhaktir yata deve tata guru, that one who has faith in Guru, then all the secrets of Shastra eventually become revealed, even if one is not very learned, because it's not by intellectual study, it's not by scholarship, it's only by bhakti. This is bhakti gyan, this is a higher order of gyan, this is not gyan of Brahman, Brahma Gyan, Brahma Vidya or Brahma Gyan can be attained by Arohapanta. Arohapanta means the path of ascension. Your power, your strength, climb up the ladder. But Avarohapanta is the path of grace, the path of mercy coming down. So this is bhakti is a mood of petition and prayer and submission and surrender. Bhakti mama vijananti yavanyash jasmi tattvataha. Krishna says the tattva, this bhakti gyan or bhakti tattva is coming by the mercy of Krishna. That verse is there in Gita, right? Verse